welcome back to another video.
That messy spot right here, but you can't really see it. So y'all, we on our way to Burlington.
I need the music off. So y'all, we are Burlington trying to find a dress for Mercy, but we was not able to find what she liked. So we'll probably go to the hair store or DFHW where they also saw dresses, but she's seen a dress to the hair store that she likes. So we'll see. If we don't find anything in here, we're gonna go to the hair store so she can pick it up. While she doing that, I'm gonna be looking for some swimsuits. Here they have, varieties of swimsuit or bathing suit, whatever you call it. And it's very affordable. It's not expensive. So all I need, maybe one or two, just in case I do decide to get in the water. It'll be ready. I'll be ready. So I'm just gonna grab one or two and take it with me to the vacation. So Linda is also helping me find some bathing suit. I really like the black. The black one is cute, yeah. And this one here, I also like this one. I think I'll go with this one. But one thing I noticed, the bottle is a little bit bigger, so I hope it fit. It look kind of appropriate for, when you're taking your kids to the pool. So that's the reason why I'm going to be picking those two, the black one and the colorful one. When we done from here, we'll probably go to the hair store. Then I'll go to the African store before I head to work. I don't know if I'll be able to take you guys with me, but because of time. But yeah, that's the plan. This yellow is cute, but I think it's too big. So I'll go these two. That one. Yeah. So these are the two that I pick. I will go with these two. So yeah. So let's get out of here. Mercy didn't really find and enjoy. So we leaving to go to the.
Where y'all going?
Well, we at Dollar Tree trying to find some items for the house. Then from there we'll probably head to the hair store, where they also sell dresses and different stuff. Anyway, I don't know which one of these face masks I should go with. I haven't tried this one before, but I want to try it. So I think I'll go with this one. Yeah.
Why are you squeezing it?
So I'm gonna try this one. Comment down below if you try this face mask. What is sold to the Dollar Tree. You can find some of these at Walmart or other stores too. So these are what we got. So yeah, we just came from the hair store. My daughter was able to get her dress. You'll see it.
Yes,
You
I
know,
want to see you surprise.
Yeah. This is the lip gloss I got. Is watermelon. And I also got this little earring. No, not that one. This little earring. So yeah, right now where are we going? That's it.
Store.
We went to the African store. Then after that, I'll be heading to work. So I don't know if I'll take you guys with me to the African store, but we'll see.
Maybe not.
We'll see. So yeah, cause I'm in a rush right now. It's almost time for me to go to work. So.